Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain step by step how we can delete a custom profile in Salesforce. So if you created extra profile for testing or your org need to clean up and now want to remove them, this video is definitely for you. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So by the end of this video, you will learn what is a custom profile in Salesforce, what are the important things to need to check before deleting any profile, and step-by-step process to delete a profile in Salesforce. This all the things I covered in this today video. First, we need to understand what is custom profile in Salesforce. A custom profile in Salesforce is a copy of standard profile that you can modify based on your business needs. So, what happened in Salesforce? We have so many profiles. That profiles are copied by standard other profiles. Okay, that we call it as custom profiles. That profiles are created by user only based on their need. Currently, this is my list of profile. What actually custom profile do? It will control the object permissions, field level access, app visibility, user permissions, all the things it will control. Whenever we are going to delete a particular profile, it must be a custom profile because standard profile we are not able to delete. In that time, we need to check no user are assigned to that particular profile and it is not being used in any automation or process. You have a backup or you sure it is no longer needed. So then only we can delete that particular profile. It is a profile is assigned to users. Salesforce will not allow to deletion. So then how we can delete? So first we need to click on gear icon, click on setup. In quick find box, you need to search profiles. So once you click on that profile, you can see the list of profile. In this list, you can also have both custom profile and standard profiles. So in here, you can see we have a only edit and clone button. In this profiles are, we call it as standard profiles. If you scroll below, you can see edit and delete option. This is, we call it as custom profiles. So only we can delete custom profiles. So then how to delete? First, you need to open this profile. I already told you, if you want to delete this particular any custom profile, you need to check this profile is assigned with any users. So currently I will click on users. This profile currently assigned with one user. So I'm not able to delete. So if I click on delete, for example, if I go back, again, if I try to delete this particular profile, it will ask you like, so you are cannot able to delete a profile that in use. The profile you attempt to delete is assigned to a one or more users. Like that, we get to one error. So then, how to delete this? I need to delete this. So I need to delete this particular profile. I don't need that. That's why. So if first we need to click on that profile, click on users. In this, you need to click on open the users. In here, we need to click on edit. We need to first change the profiles, then only we can delete. So currently I changed to finance. I saved. Now again I go back to profiles. I will open that particular profile I want to delete. I will again check if this profile have any users. Currently this profile has no users. So now I will try to delete. Now that finance head profile is deleted. So that is for today. I hope you understand these things. Now you know exactly how we can delete, how to delete a custom profile in Salesforce. So I hope you understand these things. Thank you for watching.